So I never do lights around brick like this, but Jeremy, I'm riding along with Jeremy, and he likes to do that. And you can see this is a callback. You did this house when?
A couple weeks back.
A couple weeks back. Now it did rain and wind like crazy last night, or a couple days ago. We got one up there that's falling off, and so basically I'll show you how to glue them on. We use a Ryobi looking thing here. How much is this little gun?
I want to say the gun's like 30 bucks. What's expensive is these batteries.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the batteries are.
It don't come with it?
No.
Well, that's stupid.
Don't come with it.
That's not very smart.
So actually, what I did was I bought the glue gun because it didn't come with anything, and then you could buy 2 batteries for like 90 bucks.
Or the whole.
Or you get a kit with
all the other stuff.
A couple drills and a big battery, a small battery for 120 bucks. So it's almost worth getting the kit.
Right.
And you get the bag.
So that's something. Basically, do you gotta let it heat up, or does it automatically heat up?
It'll heat up. There's an on and off button.
Okay, so it heats it up.
It don't take very long.
And then we'll watch how to glue them back on, because I never did this. I never did one house with gluing out of the 5 years I've done it.
Oh darn.
Now, do you charge same price to do this, or do you charge more to do window? $8 a foot. So how many is on a window? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So let's just say 20 times 8, $160 per window. I'd probably even do more than that. I wouldn't even do them for. I would probably be $300 a window, because this is where your callbacks are going to come in. Right here.
Learned.
This is where your callbacks are going to come. Oh, one other thing we got here. So we not only did it around the houses, we did it around the windows. And so we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 around the arch, 6, 7, 8 up both sides. And with all of that, that took right around 4.5 hours. So it does take quite a bit of time to be able to do all this, to be able to do it around the windows and stuff. So anytime I did any windows, and I only did windows with the PVC side of things, and I did them at $300 a piece, because at the end of the day I want to make money and I don't want to do a callback. So you just put the glue on it, and you're just gonna, how long you got to hold it for?
Usually pretty quick. I mean, that's...
Yep, pretty good there till they all fall back down.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually hold them a little bit longer this time, just to
make sure. And you do have glue underneath of it. That's the other thing. You could have glue residue. Sometimes they're not going to come off. How they come off pulling them down, or do you know?
They, this is our second year. Every year he adds more windows, but first year everything pretty much comes off.
I got you. But pulling them down at the end of them, they just come right down. Gotcha. Here, do we want to try on this other window how easy they show to come down? I'm just teasing you. So that. So the
my second trip out here, by the way.
All this year.
Yeah.
So
first year, no trip.
So you came out here and then had to come back.
Yeah.
Twice.
Second time.
So the moral of the story is charge more than $8 a foot.
Yeah.
Charge per window, so that way you don't have to come back out here, because who wants to come back out here and do redos? So he's got one more redo that's all the way up there, and we're trying to take out this tree. And don't do that, because some customers are really picky, really picky. And I'm going to show you the house that is. It's the next house over. But Jeremy does awesome customer service, so if you're in the Richmond area and you need lights done, definitely give him a call. What's it called? KCP? KPS pressure washing, or what?
KPS pressure washing and holiday lighting.
So there you go. Again, you're not supposed to go above the ladder above that, so don't do this at your own house or your own will. Get the bigger ladder out. You think the glue could have been bad, or this is a different type of glue from last year?
I'm actually using Gorilla Glue this time.
Also, that is Gorilla Glue in the glue sticks? Okay. What you had in it before?
First stuff is from it's like Walmart, I believe.
I got you. I got you.
All purpose.
And this one here is not all purpose, it's Gorilla Glue. And how much is that stuff? Pretty cheap?
It's about $7 for a bag of 26.
Okay. Well, they're good because
See, I mean, it sticks pretty quick.
I got you. And it ain't got to be super strong. It's just got to be strong enough to hold them up there. So that is how to hang lights on windows. Again, we want to be profitable at it. We don't want to not be profitable. And $8 a foot sounds good on windows, but at the end of the day, $160 versus if I would just charge $250, $300 per window. That way, when you do have to come back out, because this is an all-inclusive service, this is one that you are going to have issues with. And so not everything's going to have issues, but you could have issues with these lights. So that is the purpose of making sure that we charge. So I'll see you in my next video.